Hi students, my name is Ms. Balani and I've been in the teaching profession for more than 15 years. Now today I'll be dealing with the chapter shares and dividends and see to it I make it as simplified as I had simplified banking. Also, you must have heard about the term share in your family, discussed in your family. Now let me explain to you the meaning of the shares, okay? If someone wants to start a big business, a large amount of money is required in general, and it is not possible for an individual to invest such a large amount. So there are many people who are interested in a business, they join together and they form a company. They divide this estimated money into small parts and each part is called a share. And a person who purchases one or more share is called as a shareholder. Now there are many terms related with the share. Before I start with the chapter, I would like to explain to you the terms which are as follows. First is the nominal value. Let's see. The other name for nominal value is also called as face value and it always remains the same. The second term is called the market value. For example, if the nominal value of the share is rupees 10, the market value is rupees 12. So the price of the share at any time is called the market value. It can vary from time to time. It is not necessary it has to remain constant throughout. So this is the market value. At par means if the market value is same as a nominal value, that means market value is equal to nominal value or face value. It is called as par. If the market value is 100, the nominal value is 100, so it is called it as at par. Second, if the market value is more than the nominal value, market value is more than the nominal value, then the share is called at premium or above par. It is called at premium or above par. But if the market value is less than the nominal value, market value is less than the nominal value, the share is called at discount or we can say below par. Now, let's try to understand the meaning of the term dividend. The profit which a shareholder gets for his or her investment from the company is called dividend. That means it's a profit of a company given to the shareholder in a year. Suppose I have invested rupees 100. After a year, I get some amount what I have invested. So that is a dividend which I am getting it from the company. So that is called as a dividend. The dividend is always expressed as a percentage of face value. Means I will get the dividend on face value and not on the market value. The market value may be 120, the face value will be 100. But I will be getting the dividend on the face value of the share. That is on rupees 100 and not on rupees 120.